It's a delicious twist on two classic breakfast items. Turn your favorite banana bread loaf into hearty French toast. Studio 5 food producer Alex Daynes is joining me with the recipe for banana bread French toast. Hello, this sounds amazing.
It is amazing.
This sounds it sounds divine. It sounds like a very over the top type breakfast.
Absolutely. So when you think about French toast, it is all about the bread, right?
Yes.
Like when I'm making regular French toast, I'm not making it with Granny Sycamore's white bread. You can, totally can, but I like to go for like a brioche bread or like a croissant or something with like a cinnamon swirl. So then I've been on a bit of a banana bread kick lately.
Which is so funny to me. It seems like just a random kick to be on, but
well,
okay.
We'll blame little sis.
Baby Daynes wants banana bread.
She wants banana bread. And so in my banana bread quest, I decided, oh my goodness, you could use banana bread as the vessel for French toast.
Yes.
And
hello.
It's amazing.
And our favorite new breakfast is born.
It's born.
So talk us through the banana bread.
Yeah.
Any size loaf pan or any specifications there?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. So banana bread, you can do any banana bread recipe that you like. I have one that is a sourdough banana bread.
Okay.
And it's delicious. You want to pay attention to your bread pan size with your recipes. But again, anything works. This is a larger loaf pan. This is more of your standard loaf pan. But look how cute. How cute would these be? Then cut into French toast and then battered and topped.
The minis.
The minis.
Yeah.
So you can do any banana bread recipe.
Okay.
I will say it works better to do like a leftover banana bread to turn it into French toast. However, I know that's kind of a tall order because when you make banana bread, you want to eat your banana bread.
Right then,
You don't really have leftover banana bread.
Yeah.
So my solution to that is double the recipe.
Okay.
Make two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eat one now, save one for later.
Exactly. Make it with the intent of making a delicious French toast the next day.
I'm here for it. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so what do you do with your French toast? What do you like to do for your custard mix?
We have one that we put cinnamon in, so it's like the eggs and the cream and the cinnamon.
Yep, that's exactly what I like to do. I feel like a lot of people skip out on the cinnamon and the vanilla. And you shouldn't.
Okay.
You shouldn't skip out because it's gonna pair well, especially with this recipe, it's gonna pair really nicely with our banana bread. And it's gonna bring out those flavors. So I do eggs, milk, cinnamon, and vanilla.
I'm kind of doing a palate test in my brain, like, what this tastes like, banana bread French toast, and I feel really good about it.
I know.
I feel really good about this.
You should feel really good about this because it is so good. So we mix up our egg custard mix as we would.
Okay.
We want to slice our banana bread loaf into thicker slices.
Thick.
Yes. So you're not gonna get a ton out of one loaf. Again, just commit to those bananas this week. Go to the store, buy more bananas than you've ever bought because you're gonna be so excited to make banana bread French toast.
Mark found a local, we call it our bodega, but a local gas station that with a cup, with a soda, they send you out the door with a banana.
I love it.
And he somehow now thinks that's like the economical, smart way to do it. Like if I'm gonna drink my Diet Dr. Pepper, I should get a free banana out of it. So we have plenty of bananas.
You have plenty of bananas. So you can make banana bread.
We got this, yeah.
So yes, thick, nice piece like that. And then rather than just kind of flipping it, I just like to let that soak up that custard.
Slurp it up.
Slurp it up. And then if you wanted butter, onto our preheated griddle over there. This is how we're gonna get that crisp exterior that we need with our French toast. So give that a good dip. Like I'm talking a whole minute. And then because we want this to have a nice crust, I'm gonna take a little sugar in the raw and I'm gonna sprinkle that right on to my French toast piece. And that's gonna be my caramelized factor.
Look at you.
And then I've got my butter, which is also gonna caramelize over here.
Oh my gosh.
And then we're gonna let that cook down on our griddle. And we just wanna let that get really nice and really crispy. And it's gonna be delicious.
I can't wait to try this banana bread French toast. What's our syrup about?
Our syrup's over here. And because this is kind of a Hawaiian-inspired recipe.
Tropical.
It's totally tropical. I leaned into doing a homemade coconut syrup. And it is actually really easy. It's only 5 ingredients, all in a saucepan. We're gonna do a can of coconut milk. In here, we're gonna do a cup of granulated white sugar. And then we're going to thicken it with a little bit of cornstarch and corn syrup. So we're gonna do both. And that's gonna make it that sticky factor. Whisk that all together, cook it on a medium-low speed. or temperature, excuse me. And then once that is all incorporated, you want to take it off the heat and add your coconut extract.
Delicious.
And that's going to give it that flavor for that over-the-top feel. And then when you go to drizzle that on, I like to do, again with the little island flair, we've got our bananas, we've got our macadamia nuts, we've got our coconut syrup here. I mean, does that just not scream the most elevated breakfast?
Is it breakfast or dessert? We don't care because we feel like we are in Hawaii with each and every single bite. Alex, thank you. Thank you.
Every bite. You're so welcome.
I kind of broke it. It's tender.
That's okay.
Spatula. Use a spatula. Sorry.
Spatula it out. That's all right.
That soft bread got the best of me, but we're still gonna eat it all the same.
Absolutely.
All right, look for the recipe on our website, studio5.ksl.com.